exciting to have this and to think I might be able to pass something valuable down to my kids.
I love to hear that, Cody.
Yeah, thanks, Coach. Love you, brother.
Love you too, man. Great job. Nothing I love more than hearing that. I mean, that's
Oh yeah, man. For me, my background's the military, so I don't have much. I'm medically retired now, so for me to be able to help my kids with it's life changing, man. It's huge for me. Oh yeah. Thank you. No, you guys have taken care of me enough, and thank you. But it just the feeling that I get inside for what this has already done for my family, and it's a good thing, Coach. So thank you.
You're very welcome, and thank you for your service again, Cody. We love you, brother.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Love it, love it, love it, love it.